Hello? Hello, hello. Gumagana ba 'to? Hello? Ayun. So, hi bestie! Welcome to another 3-minute safe space where we cry, heal, and slay. My name is Duncan, and I am your bestie. I am a heartbreak survivor and of course, a certified tito of wisdom daw. Char, sana totoo. So today, pag-uusapan natin yung sakit na di mo ma-explain. Ano nga ba yun? Yung ginawa mo na lahat, pero iniwan ka pa rin. Alam mo yung feeling na binigay mo na lahat, yung time mo, yung effort mo, yung love mo sa isang tao, even yung pride mo. Pero sa huli, iniwan ka pa rin. Let's be real. Minsan, hindi ka lang talaga mahal ng tao. Not because you're not worthy, but because siguro some people don't know how to love someone who is already whole. They're not ready for that kind of love. And you keep asking, ano bang kulang sa akin? Saan ba ako nagkamali? Ano bang mali? Ano bang hindi ko naibigay? Bestie, walang kulang sa'yo. Hindi lang talaga siya yung tao na para sa'yo. Hindi failure yung heartbreak. Actually, blessing in disguise nga siya eh. Clearing the path para mahanap mo yung sarili mo ng buo kahit mag-isa ka. Repeat after me. Hindi ko kailangang habulin yung tao na hindi ako pinili. You deserve a love that stays. And you deserve a love that feels like peace. Yung may katahimikan ba? At minsan, it starts with loving yourself. So that's it for today. Heal at your own pace, okay? And always remember, your worth doesn't decrease just because someone failed to see it. So catch you sa next episode natin, bestie. Bye!